If you're watching this video, you probably know the absolute best part about owning a swimming pool, kicking back on a hot summer day and then just jumping in the crystal clear water. But you probably already know the worst part as well, that endless maintenance that comes along with owning a pool. Instead of actually enjoying the pool every single day, you probably spend more time in the week skimming the leaves, scrubbing the algae from the walls, and then fighting those tangled vacuum hoses just to make sure that the water is actually swimmable so that you can use it. But what if I told you you can make that a whole lot easier and practically cross off pool cleaning from your weekly chore list? Today we're going to be talking about the Wybot C2 to see if this budget-friendly robotic pool cleaner has what it takes to keep my pool clean without a whole lot of effort. Now, before we get to throwing this into the pool, let's do a quick unboxing just to show you what comes with this unit. Inside of the box, you're going to, of course, get the C2 robot itself, and then a standard power adapter to charge up the internal battery, a filter basket with that built-in filter, and a universal retrieval hook so that it can connect to a standard pool pole. Now, looking at this, even though this is a budget-friendly device, it does feel really premium and on par with some of the other robot pool cleaners that I've tested already. It's modern and extremely rugged, which is exactly what you need for a device that's going to be spending most of its time at the bottom of the pool, cleaning out all of that gunk. We're going to be getting to that pool cleaning pretty quickly, but before we do that, I'm going to make sure that this thing is completely topped off in terms of battery power. So we're going to plug this in and then also connect it to the Wybot Smart app. Select the cleaning mode that we want, and then after that, just throw it in the pool. Now, I know there's a lot of you that really love the technical details, so let's talk a little bit about the specs. The Wybot C2 is driven by an upgraded brushless triple motor system. With that, the setup produces a staggering 3,592 gallons per hour of suction power, which is phenomenal. If you do have a backyard like mine that's surrounded by trees, or you just had a big storm that rolls on through, your pool floor is probably covered with a stubborn mix of leaves, dirt, sand, and probably even some algae. But thanks to the massive suction power of this unit and its high-speed front scrubber, it completely dislodges the dirt and debris at the bottom of the pool and pulls it in with a single pass, leaving behind nothing but a clear path behind it. Of course, pulling in all that dirt and debris is only half of the battle. Keeping it trapped inside of the robot is really what matters here. That's where the C2's dual-layer ultra-fine filtration system comes into play. Inside its generous 3-liter capacity basket, it uses a highly efficient two-stage approach. First, the 180 micron large cartridge intercepts all of the big debris, things like twigs, leaves, and even bugs. But after that, the water then passes through a precise 10 micron ultra-fine filter net. That secondary filter is an absolute game changer because it captures microscopic particles like pollen, dust, and sand that regular first layer simply can't capture. If you do live in a dusty climate or are constantly struggling with cloudy water, this dual filtration setup will noticeably improve the water clarity of your swimming pool. And cleaning the basket itself, honestly, just takes seconds. Just pop it out, give it a quick spray with your garden hose, and then you're good to go. Even though I've been reviewing robot pool cleaners for a couple of years now, my biggest pet peeve is just watching some of the units, some cheaper models as well, just bouncing back and forth aimlessly at the bottom of your pool, ping-ponging off of the walls, changing directions in random patterns, and then leaving a mess behind them. But that's not the case with the Wybot C2, which completely eliminates that frustration with an optimized full coverage navigational system. From the app, you can select between 6 different highly efficient cleaning paths and dramatically reduce mist spots and overlapping areas to make sure that the bottom of your pool is as clean as possible. But where the C2 truly shines is its climbing ability. A lot of robot pool cleaners that claim that they can clean your walls, they actually barely make it up halfway before they start falling back down to the bottom of the pool. The C2 actually scales the pool walls all the way to the top, peeking out from the top of the water and then scrubbing the water line as well. That baked-on ring of grime and sunscreen that forms at the top of the waterline, the C2 scrubs it away effortlessly. The fact that it manages the floors, the slopes, the vertical walls, and the waterline probably means you'll never have to use a pool brush again to make sure your pool is sparkling clean. Of course, you can control all of this directly from your smartphone using the Wybot app, giving you full control over when and how your pool gets cleaned. The C2 features 7 distinct cleaning modes to match exactly what your pool needs at any given day. You can select full coverage, floor only, wall then floor, eco mode, or even a turbo mode for when you need a rapid clean before guests arrive to swim in the pool. One of the absolute best features for set it and forget it maintenance with this device is the cycle timer. You can schedule the C2 to run automatically up to 4 times a week. Once you set your preferred schedule within the app, you don't have to do anything else. The robot will wake up, perform its cleaning cycle, and then go back to sleep, and then perform the same thing for the next time that it's scheduled to clean. Wybot has also included a specialized extra dirty pool function for those rough spring openings or after a party, anytime your pool needs a little bit of extra care. It makes the C2 feel less like a tool and more like a dedicated pool boy cleaning out your pool exactly like you need it. As you might expect though, all of that smart cleaning technology and wall climbing power demands a serious battery. And Wybot's equipped the C2 with a high capacity 4,600 mAh battery that delivers up to 180 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge when using eco mode. That 3-hour window though is more than enough time to deep clean pools that are up to 2,152 square feet, which easily covers the vast majority of residential in-ground and above-ground pools. And when the battery finally does run low, or when the cleaning cycle is completely finished, you don't have to worry about the robot dying in the deepest part of the pool. The C2 features a smart auto parking finish. It automatically navigates itself to the edge of the pool wall and then parks right there, waiting for you to fish it out. Just reach down with the included hook and pull it out of the water. And to charge it back up, a full charge only takes about 3 hours, which means by the time you're done using the pool and ready to close it up for the night, it's ready to go for its next cleaning cycle. And another thing to note, the versatility of this device is another one of its major strong suits. And it really doesn't matter what kind of pool you have, whether it's built with concrete with a vinyl liner, fiberglass, or even tile. The C2's specially designed treads and the brushes that it uses to clean the pool are safe and efficient on pretty much any pool surface. And it really doesn't matter what kind of pool shape you have either. It'll clean them all perfectly. And the good news, this thing will get better over time, with Wybot dedicating itself to over-the-air updates through the app, which means that the robot pool cleaner is going to get smarter and more efficient over time as they refine the software. Between the cordless convenience, the massive triple motor suction power, the microscopic dual layer filtration, and the dedicated waterline scrubbing, the Wybot C2 is an absolute powerhouse that generally saves you hours of cleaning and working on your pool. If you're tired of putting in countless hours maintaining your pool and cleaning it rather than actually enjoying it this summer, you might want to check out the Wybot C2. For the best deals, make sure you check out the link in the video description. And if you have any questions for me about the C2 and how it's been working for me for the last couple of weeks, leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, thanks to Wybot for sponsoring this video.